welcome back to my channel. So this is my vlog number 2. Okay guys, so you guys have seen it on the thumbnail and in the title. Just come shop with me with the money I don't have. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm trying to get my hair done, and I'm in the process of learning how to do my hair myself. I did my last braid myself, and most of you have seen it. If you have not seen it, I'm going to leave the link here for you guys to see. Okay, so I'm trying to do another hair, okay, but this time around I want it to be like crochet. All right, okay, so I'm going to an African beauty store to see what I can find, and also I'm transitioning. I think this is my 3-4 months of not relaxing my hair. It's a process, it's not easy. So I've been asking around for hair advice, right? And yeah, I'm going to get some things that some people recommended. Shout out to Gabrielle, right? I'm going to leave her YouTube channel in the description box. Okay, so I reached out to her in the comment section and she gave me like products I need to buy because she transitioned as well. So I'm going to go and get there because this transitioning life is not easy, guys. It is not easy. My hair I'm trying to stay off heat. Okay, I don't stretch my hair, nothing, so it's so difficult. So I need to get all the products I can get. Okay, oil, leave-in conditioner, styling gel, I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. And also I'm going to African market because, guys, I don't know, but I like pepper. Okay, and all the pepper I've been buying in Woolies and all these foreign store, it has not been doing it for me. It has not been doing it for me. So I need to go get Nigerian pepper, the one that when I put it in my food, everybody will go crazy. Yeah. I'm going to get my next hair that I'm going to do, which I'm going to film, of course. Okay guys, so just come with me and shop with me. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention that I'll be going to two different, there are numerous, there's a lot of African markets. Okay, I've been to a couple of them, but then there are two that actually stood out. Okay, and they have most of the things I like buying. Okay, so one is in Blacktown and the other is in Maryland, and I'll be going to these two places. And yeah, okay guys, so I'm currently waiting for my boss. You know, when I woke up this morning, no, last night, I was like I'm going to sleep early and wake up early so I can vlog. That I'm going to start these cars, the noise. I was thinking I'm going to start vlogging by 9. Like I'm going to start my day by 9. Guys, I woke up by 9. Okay, by 9. And this is currently 11:38, I think. 11:38. So here I am by almost 12 o'clock going out. So much for waking up by 9. So there is no direct train from my area to the place. So I have to take a bus to the train station that will take me to that train station. I mean, it's not that far. It's like less than 30 minutes ride. But you know, the whole bus, train, the whole process. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for my boss and I'm looking so that it won't pass. Yeah, so I'm going to see you guys shortly in the store. I'm going to Blacktown first. I'm going to get the hair products in Blacktown, and I'm going to get the pepper in Blacktown. Then if they don't have the rest of the things I'm looking for, then I'm going to Maryland to get the rest of the things. So come along with me. Okay guys, so this is the first food market that I went to. Okay, so one thing with the food market here in Sydney is that they also sell hair products and beauty products, but there are shops that are dedicated to just hair products. But here they have everything. So in the freezer, you guys can see the red pepper. Yeah. So I finally got the red pepper. They have some local vegetables as well. They have egusi. Egusi is pumpkin seed, and they also have grounded obono. Obono is bush mango seed, and yeah, they have like a lot of things here. They even have like fish. I mean, there are fish markets, of course, but they have fish as well, and they have frozen ripe plantain. Okay, some are sliced and some are yet to be sliced. And yeah, they have beans, they have gari. I mean, if you're Nigerian, of course you know what gari is. It was swallowed. And yeah, they even have fufu, guys. They have fufu, and they have shrimps. These are like called crayfish, of course, but of course they were shrimp. But it's called crayfish in my place in Nigeria. Okay, and they have dried fish, they have stockfish, and so many things. There's so many Nigerian things. You can find them in this shop. Okay guys, so the funny thing is that the woman that sells things was like, you can't vlog in my shop. So that's why I didn't bother to show the name of the shop, because she was like, don't vlog, you can't video my shop and all that. So yeah, I didn't bother to put her name. That's why I didn't show the outside of the building. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the second shop in Maryland. Okay, I wanted to get fresh unripe plantain, but this is where I got it last, but they didn't have it, which was really sad. All they had was still the same frozen plantain, and that's not what I was looking for. I mean, it would have been okay, but I didn't want ripe plantain. I wanted unripe plantain. Okay, and then I got this fish. I don't know why I got it. It was going to be weird to just enter that shop and leave and not buy anything. So I had to buy something. And yeah, they have like so many local spice here, like a lot of local spice. They even have red oil, you guys, red oil, and they have sardine and all those good stuff, and mostly our local spice. Okay, so they also have palm kernel oil, okay, for banga soup or ofako if you're Igbo, okay. And then they have indomie, but you can get this indomie in the foreign shop, okay. So it's still here. And then they have suya spice, guys. If you're Nigeria, you know what suya is. I miss suya. So I'm back, finally, tired and exhausted. So you guys saw how my day went, right? The second shop I went to, the woman was like, you're not allowed to vlog inside here, you're not allowed to vlog inside here. Oh my god. So I'm like, okay, so I might not show you guys the name of the shop. I don't know why, but I might just show you one or two things inside the shop that I got. And yeah, so these are the things I got for my hair. I'm really excited to be transitioning, okay? And this is what I told you guys, like Gabrielle, that's her name. She's a fellow YouTuber. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. Okay, so this is what she recommended, the pomegranate. Oh my god, I can't pronounce word. Pomegranate. The pomegranate and honey line, okay? she said something about they have everything except deep conditioner, and that's the same thing the woman at the mall said. So of course I got the shampoo. This is their moisturizing and detangling shampoo, and this is their moisturizing and detangling conditioner. Also in the same line I got the coil smoothie. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, and then in another line, this is the Babasu and I don't know if it's called Babasu. This is the Babasu and mint line, and I got the deep conditioner from the line. And then the lady, she recommended this one, and this is from the same company. Okay, but this is their rosemary mint scalp and hair straightening oil. Okay, she said it to help my hair grow. Okay, I told you guys I've not relaxed my hair for like 3 months now, so I can see the small natural hair coming out, small. I see it, and it's not becoming very difficult to comb, because I thought that I was using the other. Let me show you guys. In my last video I told you guys I was using this, so I thought that I was using this. I didn't want to get this one, and she's like, even though it says sulfate free, that there are still a little bit of sulfate inside it. And trust me, my hair is like paining me, right? Like I can't even comb it, so I really need something that's going to like moisturize. I'm really looking forward to using this deep conditioner. And guys, natural hair products in Australia is expensive. Expensive. Okay, so each of these, every single thing I got, each of them is $20. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 80. Hey, natural hair, here I come. Okay, so another thing I got is this. I'm going to do this. Okay, so they didn't really have like a lot of options when it came to fox lock, which is sad, because I wanted to really try something like that. But I mean, this is good. It has coily ends. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm going to do next, so look out for the video. All right, okay, so this is me ending this vlog because I am tired. Okay, oh yeah, one of these was $25 and I got 3 because I don't know why, but because I feel like 3 is going to be full. 2 will not be like full, but 3 is going to be like full, and I can always reuse it. I mean, I think so. I can always use crochet. Of course I can reuse it, so it's like, okay, it's paining me, but it's good. Okay guys, so for the food market, so I got the pepper. You guys, so so I'm going to just blend everything and then put it in the fridge and just be taking it. It's very peppery, so it's just like 1 teaspoon, even less, half teaspoon for like each meal. So it's going to last really long. And I didn't see the plantain. Okay, I saw ripe frozen plantain, but I didn't see the fresh plantain, but I didn't want to like use the right one. Okay, and since this whole COVID outbreak, I think it's now difficult to like get things from Africa here to Australia. So many things like yam, plantain, it was no longer available. Like that shop was filled up. I think towards March, April, that shop was filled up with everything, but right now it was looking so scanty. But I get it, and everything has actually increased in price, which is sad, but what can we do about it? So yeah, I mean, at least I got the pepper. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna try and do more vlogs. I'm enjoying this vlog life, I'm enjoying it too. I'm enjoying it, even though it's like really like painful to hold your camera and the rest, but it's still good. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and just tell me something in the comment section. Okay, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in my next